Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you all my clocks and all my radios. But first we're going to start off with radios. Here. We're running over here. This is my Midland WR100. Doesn't work. Not a very good radio, that's why I'm gonna save up off of money. I'm gonna get more of these. Hopefully they're all not broken. Next is my WR120.
30%. Tonight, breezy, colder, snow, chances.
Yeah. I got this thing before a Monday on December. I can't remember exactly when. But that's when I got this one. Same week I got that one, which was on a Wednesday. Actually, no, that one. I forgot where I put it. I forgot about that one. Yeah. Yeah, it takes a long time to get to the menu. Yeah, it's saying saving, even though I didn't even hit anything. Put up and down, it's not even saving. I still like the fader. This is my third favorite. Next, number 2. Number 3 is right here. This is a Recom R1650.
Night, not as cold. Cloudy. Freezing rain likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-20s.
I got this back in, I got this on the 8th, I think, the 7th of this February. Yeah, pretty nice. Do a quick guard roll real quick. Yeah, pretty nice radio.
50%. Select styles only.
I got this one. I've gone off for 2 things. This one came about 10 minutes after I left school, and then this one was one day, you know, about 11:06 a.m. Wednesday. Yeah, that's this one, and the last one is this one.
Friday night, clear. Lows in the lower 30s.
Yes, I got this, same week I got the 100. And the same week I got the, I think, the 100, and I'm about to say 120, not 100. Yep, it's already 2 o'clock. However, what we're gonna get into now, we're gonna start getting into the clock. My hot clock over there is, let y'all read it. Second. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Next to that, right here, next to my bed, is my alarm clock. It has 24-hour format. Usually I keep it on 24-hour format. It's already almost 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Next up here is my sharp alarm clock. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I got this I think about 3 years ago. Yeah, it's pretty old. Oh, I forgot, this one's my H854. I have this right here because it's not broken. I need to save up for battery because it was running low on battery, so yeah. I need to get more battery for this one. It's not broken, it just needs batteries. Yep. Now we're coming over here this way. My miniature grandfather clock. Got this on my birthday of 2017. Yeah. Well, nothing on here, the pendulum for it. This one, the key for it's broken because whenever I try to wind it, it's supposed to play the music, but it doesn't. That's why it's broken. I'm gonna put the pendulum up. Actually, no. Here, I'll put it on the back. Okay. There we go. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Okay, hold on. Can you call me? Okay. You're welcome. Yeah, that was my calling for something. There we go. Next to that is my Timex mantle clock. I also got this Christmas of 2016, I believe. Yeah, 2016. Different chime. See? Yeah, different chime. Yeah. From Course Company, I got this, again, Christmas of 2016. Yeah. And next to that is my condo anniversary clock. I got this on my birthday of, I think, 2018, I think. Yeah, 2018. 2 years ago. Don't chime either. Yeah, I'll show you the back of it. It's battery operated. This is to also change the time. Yeah, it takes 1C battery. Yeah. Yes, I can't turn it with one hand, but that's one. Next to that is my Coca-Cola anniversary clock. Doesn't chime either. Yeah, none of these clocks chime, sadly. Yeah. Also have a pendulum, but it's broken. I think it spins a little bit faster than the other one. Or even one it's broken because the string is a little bit loose. I forgot that that one's also broken. Hang on. They look pretty cool. They're both broken. Yeah. And this one on the bottom takes a AA battery. Yeah, the bottom of this clock, nothing really on the bottom, just all black. They're both full. Next to my
Did you turn your heater on, Michael?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, leave this open so you can get some food over here.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
What happened to the numbers?
Oh, they fell off.
Oh.
I don't know. This is my make your own clock. Haven't chimed either. I have this little working pendulum. Doesn't chime either. Okay. There's that one next over here, my Lightning McQueen clock. I got this about 2015, 2014. Yeah. This is pretty nice. Next here's my math clock. So it's just like that one. None of these clocks chime except for those two. This one's broken. Yeah. This is nice. And then, oopsie, and then here's my another make your own clock. I got this back in, I think, June of 2018. Yeah, very nice. And, back to my bird clock. This one chime, but I don't have all both the batteries in it. I may make a video. Whoops. I may make a video of these two. After this one, the last one we have is this one. My other bird clock. This one also chimes, as you can see. I don't have the batteries in these ones either. And the very last one is this one, my atomic clock. I have a stand on it, and the buttons on the back. You can even change it. What? I use this like a weapon. Yeah, wrong button. Hold on, that's this one. Yeah, pretty cold outside. We're under a winter storm warning and a wind chill warning, which is when you include EAS number 3 and 4. And yeah, that includes my collection. And I'll show you the winter.
Chance of precipitation 60%. Wednesday, cloudy.
Here's the winter
Chance
storm
of rain
warning.
and freezing rain in the morning. Then a slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 30s. Chance of precipitation 50%.
Okay.
Wednesday night,
What are
cloudy.
you gonna show?
Chance of rain, freezing rain. Snow and light sleep before midnight. Then a
Yes,
chance of
it's
snow
pretty
and light
icy
sleep after
outside.
midnight.
Because my window's not icy.
Chance of precipitation 30%. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the upper 30s. Thursday night and Friday, warmer, clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Highs in the lower 50s. Friday night, clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Saturday, not as cool. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
There you go.
Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin-San Antonio National Weather Office. The current time is 2:08 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Yeah.
Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas. Freezing drizzle will change over to a mix of freezing rain and sleet this afternoon before transitioning to snow this evening and into tonight. Despite snow ending Monday morning, icy road conditions and bitterly cold temperatures and wind chill values will persist.
Oh my god, that's my little poodle clock right there.
Weather precautions and stay home as much as possible when roads are icy. Another chance for wintry precipitation on Wednesday before warming up late in the week. Your local forecast.
Hey.
Winter storm warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time Monday. Wind chill warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to noon Central Standard Time Monday. Tonight, breezy, colder.
Yep. That's EAS number 4 and 5.
Snow and sleet accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Lows around 10 above.
Yep. That includes the weather radio and clock collection of February 14th, 2021. And I hope y'all enjoyed.